Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Bullets Garage checking in with you guys. If you're new, please subscribe below and hit that bell icon to stay up to date on all the videos I'm posting. I'm going to be ceramic coating with none other than Adams Polishes ceramic coating. This is the coating I used on my paint. I have a lot left over. I'm going to use it on my wheels. There's no reason for it to go to waste. Adams does make a ceramic coating that's specific for wheels. The only difference is that it's a little more durable, but for this application it's going to be perfectly fine for me since I have this. Might as well use it if I have it. So the steps that we need to do to ceramic coat the wheels is: number one, remove all the wheel weights that are on the wheel. I have done that already. Next, I'm gonna use a water and rubbing alcohol solution to wipe down the wheel. And then I'm going to use the coating prep that's inside the box here to prep the wheel, and then we'll apply the ceramic coating. After we apply the ceramic coating, I'm going to wait usually about 24 to 48 hours. Since I'm in no rush, 48 hours is fine. And then we're gonna come back in and hit the wheels with ceramic boost. This is going to give the wheel that slick finish, that deep gloss shine, and the smooth finish that we all love. So let's get right into it. I'm going to do this wheel to demonstrate for you guys, and then you could repeat the steps on the other wheels that you have. So let's get right into it. Now that the first step is done, let's open the box. And we have Adams coating prep. We're gonna use this to spray and clean off the wheel once again, and this is gonna prep the surface for the ceramic coating to be applied to. And did I mention that this smells fantastic? Now that we've prepped the wheel with the coating prep, let's start applying the ceramic coating. I'm going to the face of the wheel first, then we're going to do the inner barrel. And as always, when you're removing the ceramic coating, make sure you use separate towels that need to be thrown away, because when the ceramic coating dries on these towels, it should not be used again on painted surfaces because it could scratch the surface. So these towels will be thrown away or used for, let's say, like an engine bay cleaning or something that's not going to be paint related. Shake up the bottle. Got my applicator pad. Always close the cap when you're not applying this so it doesn't crystallize. A nice good amount. Close the cap. And let's go to work. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about a minute, and then we're gonna go on and buff off the remaining and level it with the towels. And just like that, the face of the wheel is done. I'm gonna flip it over, do the barrel, and put these aside and do the rest of the wheels. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, these wheels are ceramic coated. Super easy, super simple. Anybody could do this. It's not complicated. Like I said, in 2 days, I'm gonna come back, hit them with ceramic boost, spray them and wipe them down, and they're gonna be complete and ready for the springtime. There is a link below in the description where you can find the Adams Polishes ceramic coating, ceramic boost, and all of the products that you need. Be sure to check that out, subscribe below, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys.